Management thinkers, such as Taylor, Fayol, and others, were interested in extracting and establishing principles for administrative organization and general rules and foundations that could be a guide for presidents and administrators when they carry out organizational functions and other administrative work. One of these principles and rules is the principle of unity of presidency. Based on the principle of unity of leadership, the employee must have one manager, through whom he receives orders, instructions, and directives and is the supervisor of his work, meaning that he should not be responsible for more than one employee and that the command authority at each administrative level should be limited to only one boss. The principle of unity of leadership was mentioned in the Holy Quran before schools on administration addressed it. Failure to respect the principle of unity of leadership causes imbalance in the system, generates chaos and confusion among employees, and also causes friction between managers and subordinates, weakens the internal control system, reduces work efficiency, and harms the work environment in any way. Dr. Mohammed Baram Channel